knowledge and opportunities to improve your Python skills, be sure to subscribe to my channel right now. All right, let's get started. What type of programming language is Python? A. Compiled. B. Interpreted. C. Assembly. D. Machine code. The correct answer is B. Interpreted. Python code is processed and executed directly by an interpreter, not compiled into machine code beforehand like compiled languages. Who is the creator of Python? A. Bill Gates. B. James Gosling. C. Guido van Rossum. D. Mark Zuckerberg. The correct answer is C. Guido van Rossum. Guido van Rossum is the original author of Python. Which of these is not a reason for Python's popularity? A. Readability. B. Small standard library. C. Large community support. D. General purpose. The correct answer is B. Small standard library. Python is known for having a large and comprehensive standard library, not a small one. Do you need to explicitly declare the data type of a variable in Python? A. Yes, always. B. Yes for certain types. C. No, Python is dynamically typed. D. Only within functions. The correct answer is C. No, Python is dynamically typed. Python automatically determines the data type of a variable based on the value assigned to it at runtime. What does the float data type represent? A. Whole numbers. B. Text. C. Numbers with a decimal point. D. Boolean values. The correct answer is C. Numbers with a decimal point. Floats are used for real numbers with floating point representation. How is a string defined in Python? A. A single character. B. A sequence of characters in quotes. C. A list of numbers. D. A Boolean value. The correct answer is B. A sequence of characters in quotes. Strings are created by enclosing characters in single, double, or triple quotes. How can you create a multi-line string in Python? A. Using single quotes. B. Using double quotes. C. Using triple quotes. D. Using backticks. The correct answer is C. Using triple quotes. Triple quotes allow strings to span multiple lines. What type of brackets are used to create a list? A. Parente. B. Curly brace. C. Square brackets. D. Angle brackets. C. Square brackets. Lists are defined using square brackets with elements separated by comma. What is a set in Python? A. An ordered collection of unique items. B. An unordered collection that allows duplicates. C. An unordered collection of unique items. D. A sequence of key-value pairs. The correct answer is C. An unordered collection of unique items. Sets do not maintain order and automatically remove duplicate elements. What is a dictionary in Python? A. An ordered list of values. B. A collection of unique items. C. An unordered collection of key-value pairs. D. An immutable sequence. The correct answer is C. An unordered collection of key-value pairs. Dictionaries store data as key-value pairs accessed by keys. As of Python 3.7, dictionaries maintain insertion order, but they are fundamentally mappings, not sequences. How do you create a dictionary? A. Using square brackets. B. Using curly braces. Ash with key-value pairs. C. Using parentheses. D. Using the lister constructor. The correct answer is B. Using curly braces with key-value pairs. Dictionaries are defined using curly braces with colon-separated key-value pairs. Which type of operators perform mathematical operations? A. Comparison operators. B. Logical operators. C. Assignment operators. D. Arithmetic operators. The correct answer is D. Arithmetic operators. When does the AND operator return true? A. If either statement is true. B. If both statements are true. C. If neither statement is true. D. If the statements are not equal. The correct answer is B. If both statements are true. The logical AND operator evaluates to true only if both the operand on its left and the operand on its right are true. When does the OR operator return true? A. If both statements are false. B. If both statements are true. C. If at least one statement is true. D. If the statements are equal. The correct answer is C. If at least one statement is true. The logical OR operator is true if at least one of the conditions is true. What is the effect of the NOT operator? A. It combines two conditions. B. It negates a condition. C. It assigns a value. D. It performs a calculation. The correct answer is B. It negates a condition. Not true is false and not false is true. Which statement is used to execute code only if a condition is true? A for B, while say if. The def. The correct answer is C, if. The if statement introduces a conditional block of code that is executed only if the condition following if is true. Which loop is typically used for iterating over a sequence like a list or string? A. While loop. B. Do while loop. C. For loop. D. Until loop. The correct answer is C for loop. The for loop in Python is designed to iterate over the items of any sequence or other iterable object. What does the elif statement stand for? A. Else if, B. End if, C. Elongated if, D. Extra if. The correct answer is A. Else if. Elif is a contraction of else if and is used to check additional conditions in an if-else structure after the initial if condition has been evaluated as false. When is the code inside an else block executed? A. When the if condition is true. B. When any elif condition is true. C. When all preceding if and elif conditions are false. D. Always. The correct answer is C. When all preceding if and elif conditions are false. The else block provides a default path of execution when none of the conditions in the preceding if or elif statements are true. What is Python? A. A low-level compiled programming language. B. A markup language for web development. C. A high-level interpreted object-oriented scripting language. The correct answer is C. Python is designed for readability and ease of use, high-level, executed line by line by an interpreter, supports OOP principles, and is often used for scripting various tasks. Which of the following is not generally considered a key feature of Python? A. Easy to learn and use syntax. B. It is primarily a compiled language, not interpreted. C. It is free and open source. The correct answer is B. Python is widely known for its easy syntax and is interpreted, free, and open source. Is Python case sensitive when it comes to identifiers, like variable names? A. No, it is not case sensitive. B. Yes, it is case sensitive. C. Only for variable names, not keywords. The correct answer is B. Python distinguishes between uppercase and lowercase letters in identifiers. myvar and myvar are treated as different names. How do you indicate a single line comment in Python, a B or C? The correct answer is C. The $$ symbol is used to start a single-line comment in Python. Any text after $$ on that line is ignored by the interpreter. What is the main purpose of a variable in Python? A. To perform arithmetic operations. B. To store data in memory. C. To define a function. The correct answer is B. Variables are names that refer to values stored in the computer's memory, allowing you to access and manipulate data. Which operator is used to assign a value to a variable? A, B, or C? The correct answer is B. The single equal sign that goes is the assignment operator, placing the value on the right into the variable on the left. Which of the following is not a standard built-in Python data type? A, integer. B, decimal. C, string. The correct answer is B. Int, float, str, list, tuple, dict, set, bool are built-in types. Decimal is available in the decimal module, not built-in. What is the primary use of the print function? A, to get user input. B, to display output on the console. C, to perform mathematical calculations. The correct answer is B. The print function sends output to the standard output stream, typically the console where the Python script is run. What does the input function always return? A, an integer. B, a string. C, the data type entered by the user. The correct answer is B. The input function reads a line from the input, converts it to a string, and returns that string, including the new line character if present. How can you check the data type of a variable myvar? A, B, or C? The correct answer is B. The built-in type function returns the type of the object passed to it. What is the difference between the operators ma and wak? A, B, or C? The correct answer is B. Assigns a value, while oshitov checks if two values are the same, returning true or false. Which operator is used for floor division, integer division in Python? A, B, or C? The correct answer is B. Performs division and rounds the result down to the nearest whole number. Performs standard float division. What is a string in Python? A, a sequence of numbers. B, a collection of key value pairs. C, a sequence of characters. The correct answer is C. Strings are ordered sequences of characters used to represent text. How do you access the first character of a string variable S? A, B, or C? The correct answer is B. Indexing in Python starts at 0. S0 refers to the element at index 0, which is the first character. What does the string slice my stringwise return? A, characters from index 2 up to and including index 5. B, characters from index 2 up to but not including index 5. C, characters from index 2 to index 5, skipping every other character. The correct answer is B. Slicing includes the starting index but excludes the ending index. 255 gets elements at indices 2, 3, and 4. Are Python strings mutable or immutable? A, mutable. B, immutable. C, mutable for characters, immutable for length. The correct answer is B. Immutable means that once a string is created, you cannot change individual characters or its length. Operations like concatenation create new strings. How do you combine two strings S1 and S2? A, B, or C? The correct answer is C. The plus operator is used for string concatenation, joining strings. What is the result of Python 2? A, Python, B, Python, C, an error. The correct answer is A. The operator is used for string repetition. Python 2 repeats the string Python 2 times. What is a list in Python? A, an ordered immutable collection. B, an unordered mutable collection. C, an ordered mutable collection. The correct answer is C. Lists maintain the order of elements, ordered, can be changed after creation, mutable, and are defined using square brackets. How do you create an empty list named items? A, B, or C? The correct answer is C. Empty lists are created using empty square brackets. A, yes, no. B, 0, 1. C, true, false. D, on, off. The correct answer is C, true, false. Booleans represent truth values.